And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 120. We're still talking about the tweak tool, and this time a useful function. It's a color function. Let me create a couple of objects here. They're all red by now. For now, they're all red. And you can see when you activate the tweak tool, at the top right, you can see the fill and stroke color. Let me change the fill from red to, let's say, blue. To affect our objects, I need to select them first and then activate the tweak tool. I have this mode here active for paint the tool's color. And if I left click and move the mouse, you can see the reddish color gets gradually turned into blue. How much blue depends on how you left click and then move your mouse. If you left click, hold and then move your mouse a couple of times, more and more blue will be added. You can also see on the top right of this menu, we now have channels. So this is active when you have this color mode. And here we have H, S, L, and O. This is hue, saturation, lightness, and opacity. So every color is basically determined by these three factors. And in this case for us, hue and lightness are important. So if I turn that off and I try to use the tool, there will not be an effect. So let me check them again. And now I use different colors, and you can see you can randomize the colors given to your objects pretty quickly using the tweak tool. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.